Okay, this video is on how to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is used for like if you're in a webinar or on a video conference call, you could use the snipping tool to screenshot someone else's screen, or you can use it for like if you are trying to troubleshoot something and you need to send something to tech support, you could screenshot your own screen and have it ready to send to tech support. So let's get started by going over to the start icon. Right next to that is the search bar. Let's type in the word snipping tool or just the first three letters, and it'll automatically pull that up. But if it's your first time trying to use the snipping tool, you may have to type in the whole word. So let's click on snipping tool. Okay, so before we go into this section here, I want you to focus down here on the bottom taskbar. You'll notice that the snipping tool icon is there. So let's right click on it and you'll see a box that pulls up that will give you options to pin or unpin it to your taskbar. So since mine is already pinned to the taskbar, I don't have to do that, but I just wanted to show you that so that you don't have to keep going over here to the search bar every time in order to use the snipping tool. So let's go up here and click on new. All right, so that pretty much took a screenshot of the whole thing of whatever screen you're on. Let's click on it and then that shows your screenshot. All right, so up here are different functions that you can use. So like this balloon, this is pretty much the Paint 3D. This is where you could edit your screenshot, or you just take your screenshot and take it over there to that app and you can edit it in there, resize it, etc. So this right here is your highlighter. If you click on that and you can go and highlight different areas. And if you decide that you don't want the highlight, you can always go over here to the eraser and click here and it goes away. This is your pencil. You can draw on your screen, or and if you want to, you can change the colors. All right, and then you can also use the eraser to make that go away, to erase everything. Right here is where you can take your screenshot and send it to your recipient through the email, or if you're going to use the email, you can also send it as an attachment. Right here is where you can copy your screenshot. Right here is where you can save your screenshot. So if you're going to be saving your screenshots, make sure you go and create a file folder on your hard drive or wherever you want it all your screenshots to go. You can maybe even put it on Dropbox. Go over and create your folder first, and then when you get ready to save it, you can do a file save as. I've already done mine, so it automatically puts mine in the folder where that I've created. So when you do get ready to save it, make sure you name your file and then click save. But because this is for training purposes, I won't do that right now. Okay. Right here is a timer. Let me get out of this snippet and start fresh so I can show you how that timer works. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the snipping tool again. Right here is the timer. We'll click on that. Let's say you want your screen shot to be taken within 5 seconds of you opening it. So let's click on 5 seconds. Go over here and select an option. Let's do the full screen snip. We'll click on that. 4, 3, 2, 1. Snip. Okay? That's how that works. You can pretty much time your screenshot for however long it takes for it to take take the shot. All right, so let me get out of here. Go back and open up the screenshot again. We're going to go into the other different modes. We already did the full screenshot. Let's go into Freeform Snip. This is where you'll see the pair of scissors that shows up. You take the scissors and go and cut out the area that you want shown in your screenshot. All right, that's what it did for that one. Let's get out of this and go and do another one. Do the other one. Mode. We'll go into rectangular snip. So as you can see, there is a plus sign right here. You just take that plus sign, hover over the area that you want snipped, highlight it, and then let it go. That's your screenshot for that one. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. We're in mode again. We're going to do window snip. All right, it pretty much got your whole screen, so let's just go ahead and click on it and see. Okay, that's your full snip. Okay, let's go and do, I believe we have one more. Okay, we're done. We've already done this full screen. So that's about it. That's all. I believe I've gone over everything as far as the snipping tool goes. So enjoy and happy snipping.